Number 4. Air Robot T20 Plus Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Why we recommend this product? Number 1. 360-degree obstacle detection and anti-fall sensors. Number 2. USLAM Air 5.0 algorithm and LIDAR navigation. Number 3. Self-emptying station with 3.5-liter dust bag. Number 4. 3-in-1 sweep, vacuum and mop. Number 5. 350 ml dust box plus 340 ml water tank. Number 6. 4 suction levels and 3 water output modes. Number 7. Floating rubber brush plus HEPA filter. Number 8. Ultra thin 3.7-inch design. Noise less than 65 decibel. Number 9. 3200 mAh battery up to 180 minutes runtime. Number 10. App, remote, Alexa and Google Assistant control. More details, click the video description links. Number 3. AirRobo L40 Plus Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Why we recommend this product? Number 1. Upgraded full floating main brush. Number 2. Flexible edge cleaning, 4 directions. Number 3. 2600 PA powerful suction. Number 4. Nidec brushless motor. Number 5. Low noise. Number 6. Voice control, Alexa and Google Home. Number 7. Dustbin capacity 340 ml. Number 8. Water tank capacity 350 ml. Number 9. Lithium-ion battery. Number 10. 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius working range. More details, click the video description links. AirRobo L50 Plus Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Why we recommend this product? Number 1. 5500 PA turbo suction. Number 2. Ultrasonic carpet detection. Number 3. Twin-1 vacuum and mop. Number 4. 75 days hands-free with self-emptying base. Number 5. 180-minute runtime. Number 6. 360-degree smart navigation and real-time mapping. Number 7. Custom cleaning zones and no-go areas. Number 8. Wi-Fi app, Alexa and Google control. Number 9. Works on carpet, hardwood, marble and upholstery. More details, click the video description links. Number 1. AirRobo L60 Plus Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Why we recommend this product? Number 1. 6000 PA powerful suction. Number 2. LDS precision laser navigation. Number 3. Ultrasonic carpet detection. Number 4. Carpet boost mode. Number 5. 5200 mAh battery, 240 minutes runtime. Number 6. Anti-tangle rubber brush. Number 7. 3.5-liter self-empty dust bag, 60 days hands-free. Number 8. 350 ml smart water tank. Number 9. Multi-floor mapping and no-go zones. Number 10. App, Alexa and Google Assistant control. More details, click the video description links.